Hello and welcome to Rising Rocket. My name is Binal Patel. Before moving ahead, do like and subscribe my channel. In this video, we will see the words with short sound of letter O. The short sound of letter O is A. Let's see how does it blend with other sounds. B, A, ba, k, a, ka. D, a, da, f, a, fa. G, a, ga, h, a, ha. J, a, ja, k, a, ka. L, a, la, m, a, ma. N, a, na, p, a, pa. R, a, ra. S, a, sa. T, a, ta. Wonderful. And now let's make words by blending more letters to the letter O. As in b, a, ba, b, bob. B, a, ba, s, boss. B, a, box, box. K, a, ka, d, cod. K, a, ka, p, cop. K, a, ka, t, cot. D, a, dog, dog. D, a, da, doll. D, a, dot, dot. F, a, fog, fog. F, a, for, for. F, a, fox, fox. G, a, god, god. H, a, hog, hog. G, a, got, got. H, a, hop, hop. H, a, hot, hot. J, a, job, job. J, a, jog, jog. L, a, lock, lock. L, a, log, log. L, a, lost, lost, lost. L, a, lot, lot. M, a, mob, mob. M, a, mock, mock. M, a, mom, mom. M, a, mop, mop. N, a, nod, nod. N, a, gnar, gnar. N, a, knot, knot. P, a, pod, pod. P, a, pop, pop. R, a, rob, rob. R, a, rock, rock. R, a, rod, rod. R, a, rot, rot. S, a, sob, sob. S, a, soft, soft, soft. S, a, sock, sock. T, a, tom, tom. T, a, top, top. T, a, toss, toss. T, a, tot, tot. Wonderful. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Thank you and have a good day.